Oh my goodness. I just spent money buying a pencil because I don't own pencils. And then I see there's a pencil that comes with this. This is a video review of the Aouker Center Scriber, Line Scriber, Woodworking Marking, Offset Marking Tool, Marking Center Fine Scribe, with pencil and sharpener. Oh my God. You know, I've been looking forever. This company has just made my day. I am so happy. I was just looking, saying, I just went out and spent money on pencils because I don't own a pencil. Who owns a pencil in 2022? And you can't find a pencil sharpener. They want $369 for this stuff online, which is half the price of this package. I am so happy. This review is going to be just wonderful because I'm thrilled. Look at this. I just went out and bought a pencil, didn't have a pencil sharpener, had to do this with a knife, and then I look at this product and I go, oh boy, pencil and a sharpener. So I'm thrilled as can be. Even if this product didn't work, which I'm sure it's going to, I got a pencil and a pencil sharpener. All right, so I'm working on making, this is not the piece of wood I'm going to be using, but I'm working on making something that's going to have half lats? No, lat would be a muscle exercise. Half laps. And I need to know the center of the board because the whole idea behind a half lap is you cut out one piece on the bottom or on the top and one piece on the bottom, and it mates together as one piece. So you got to know the center of the board. I didn't want to spend any money. I've got a micrometer or I've got a digital calipers. I can go in there, measure the thickness of this thing, and then go in there and halfway and do this. The problem was that some of the boards that I was using, and I'll show you them in a minute, they weren't perfectly thick. Is that right? A good comment, perfectly thick. They weren't thick. They weren't accurately thick all the way for the whole length. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. So I thought I really need to do this because I need to know the center. And so what you need is, I'm laughing because I just did this thing and there's no way that a number 2 pencil, will this even fit in the hole, baby? It wouldn't even fit. So I'm going to have to go sharpen this pencil with this beautiful pencil they gave me on the pencil sharpener. Thank you, Aouker. And the idea behind it is that you put this on the side of the wood. And you also, if you're working on small pieces, this is not going to work. But you put this on the side of the wood, and then you can mark, you put the pencil in there, you get the whole length, and it's going to give you the center for the whole length of the piece of wood until you get to the end where this piece comes off. And we've also got some steps over here. Let's see, can we read these over here? Half inch, 3/8, quarter, and 1/8. I'm not the greatest woodworker. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know that I need this. So let me go sharpen my pencil, get the tip really pointy, and I'll be back, and we'll test this out. Check out the video description. There will be an affiliate link if you want to buy this thing. This is just so inexpensive. What, $7.99? That's nothing. And like I said, you go out and you buy a pencil. I just blew a fortune of money buying pencils that I obviously didn't need, and I was going to go out and buy a pencil sharpener like this for $3.50. This is $8. I mean, come on. You're getting your money's worth with this and this alone. I'll be back. Here we go. I haven't used a pencil in about 200 years. And I sharpened the pencil, and I kept on cutting off the end of the tip. Because when's the last time anybody did any of this stuff? Who uses pencils? Nobody. So this is going to be my project. I'm trying to make a 6-point Jewish star, a Star of David. And so you need to know the center point. You can see I've got a little marking over there, which I did with the dial calipers. You need to know the center point because I'm going to cut off the top part here to here to here, and I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom, and that way when I mount my piece, this part will be cut out, and on the other piece, that bottom part will be cut out, and it will all mesh together, and it will be the same thickness. So you need to know, I'm sure this is accurate, but I just wanted to be sure. And for the price, I ended up getting a pencil sharpener, so I'm a happy guy. So when you're doing this thing, run into this, like, oh my God. So I'm not going to be able to get over to the edge like I want to, but I can at least use a ruler at that point to know what I'm doing. You can make these yourself. They're not that hard. You just have to have two little things over there on a center point. But come on, for the price, just go buy the thing. So I'm going to do it this way. That way I can get a little more accurate on the pull. Let's raise this up a bit. Okay, first time doing this, first time using this. You're going to need a pointy tip to be able to get into the hole. Hopefully this thing is going to go through. Now I've read on other things, yeah, you want it to be a tight, you want this thing to be tight so the pencil doesn't wobble around. Let's see, am I going to break my tip? I don't know, this is a tight fit. Oh baby, I'm looking in the center. Probably not going to last long before the tip is gone, but that's okay. I don't really need this to last a long time. I just need to get my center piece, get my center marking. I'm going to go as close as I can over there. I think I'm going to stop over there. I'm smiling because this is actually so cool. And then I'll just get a little marking over there. I wish I could go a little further, but there's no way you could do that unless you had smaller pegs. This is great. This is absolutely perfect. Now let's see. Look at that. See, that was the line that I did with the dial caliper. And you can see the pencil line. This is a good product. And the price is just insanely low. Now, we can also see I've got my little marking over there, because I'm going to be cutting out this piece. So let's go try to do this again and see what we get. Push my pencil down. This is so cool. This is going to make my project by the time I'm done, because I'm not a good woodworker. I don't know what I'm doing. See the difference? See the marking over there? My marking would have been a little bit off, and that's why I'm not a good woodworker. So we did it over here. Let's try it over here. Let's see if we hold the same markings. This is an awesome product. If you're a loser woodworker like I am and you don't know what you're doing, look at this. Is this just so awesome? I don't have to mess with the dial calipers. I don't have to mess with all I'm going to have to do is I'm going to line up a little ruler over here and extend this all the way to the end, and I'm going to be perfectly even all the way across the whole length of the board. And let me just show you before I finish. So the half lap, yeah, I think it's a half lap. This is good that it comes with a pencil sharpener, because you really need a fine point. So this is the half lap. I'm going to cut off over here. You can see again where I marked it. I'll cut this piece off on the bottom. I'll cut this piece down halfway on the top, and then it will fit together, and by the time I'm done, this will just be one piece, because it's cut in half on this and half on this. And this tool is really, really good. Aouker, thank you for the pencil sharpener. Did I already lose my lead? Thank you for the pencil. Thank you for this very, very, very neat item at an incredibly good price. Yeah, it's plastic, but who cares? It works. Aouker Center Scriber, Line Scriber, Woodworking Marking Offset Marking Tool. Marking Center Finder Tool, Wood Scribe, Marking Gauge Kit with pencil and sharpener. Boy, if I had just read the description, I never would have had to buy a box of pencils, and at least I didn't have to put in the order for the pencil sharpener. But this thing is really kind of neat. Oh, it says it's got a magnetic head for easy placement. So I guess there it is, the magnetic head. And I just did a video on an earth magnet. If I had that next to me, this would probably bang against the box. So we've got the magnetic head, and what else do we have? Oh my God, this company is absolutely incredible. Look at this. You hang it against something magnetic. Oh, I can't even get the pencil in there. Are their pencils smaller? It's got a thing so you can put the pencil in there, but you're probably going to have to file out the, you're probably going to have to drill out the opening because it's not going to let the pencil go through. So I'm not going to ding them for that. It goes through here. It does not go through the other piece, and then it probably rests in there. This is just ingenious what they did here. Let me see, is there anything else I want to include in the video? Maximum thickness, 64 millimeters. I don't know what that is in inches. And then I told you we've got the, oh, I didn't see that. God, this company is just incredible. 7/16, 5/16, 3/16, 1/16, 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4, 1/8. I review a ton of products. I'm not usually impressed. I am so impressed with this thing. These people, what an incredible item. They just thought of everything. And this is the Scriber. You can scribe in the center, which I showed you, on a plate 64 millimeters thick. Or you can scribe, you can put this on the board. How would this work? I have absolutely no idea. How would this work? I told you I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, this is, God, I love companies that know what they're doing. So if you want to do a scribe, let's see, you want to go 1/2 inch. This could come in handy. This could come in so, it could be so useful for your wood projects. Okay, this wood's not long enough, but how can I do this? We're going to do this on a box just so I can show you what this will do. You put these things on the outside edge. This was 1/2 inch. You go and you slide this thing all the way down. 1/2 inch from the edge. Is this just amazing? We'll try that again. I'm not used to doing something like this, but let's try this over here. It's a little awkward to do, but it's so much easier. My dad had a tool that would do this for woodworking, and okay, that doesn't look as good. It's a little strange to be doing this thing, at least for me. If I had a piece of wood, maybe that would be different, but I'm kind of awkward holding this thing right now. There we go. Yeah, you get the idea what I'm doing. It's a really good product by Aouker. Oh, look at that. They got a little nut in the middle. I got my nut in the middle of my name. Aouker. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, donation link in the video description, and an order link if you want to buy this on my affiliate link. You'll get me a few cents if you buy it on Amazon on my link, and if you don't want to do that, that's up to you too. Hey, very cool.